Yeah, I think to be an active participant here during the session, I think understand where it is you want to be challenged. So go back into your organisation, think about what the things you're looking to deliver maybe in the next, I'd say 1 to 5 years rather than 20 years. And then see, okay, who are the partners I could potentially talk to here, either suppliers or other oil majors or even smaller individuals, to see where you can work together.
Majors like Shell really trying to understand what's the advantage or how technology is evolving. I will certainly encourage people to spot ahead of the game, maybe checking through the website, spotting what is it that is going to come here, who is representing, so that you can have time with them, valuable time with them.
I think it's always good to really understand what the market's doing, where people are at, where you're at, where other competitor organisations are at. So when you come to these kind of conversations, you have something you can contribute and you can discuss.
We very much appreciate your list of the participants, because we mark them, we put our priorities in. Not everyone is important for us, time is too short, so we make the priorities in who we want to meet, and you're assisting us in getting the connections, which makes the perfect fit.
During the preparation to the Congress, first of all, we have carefully studied the list of customers and the list of partners that were joining the event. We discussed with organizers with which customers we want to meet. We also did some background research so that we are best prepared for each customer meeting and have specific issues that these customers want to address.
I think it's important a degree of preparation, at least to know the attendees who are attending the conference. Whom do you think there will be some synergies between what your company is doing and what they are doing? So this way you can prioritize the people that you want to speak to, the presentations you want to attend.
These things only work if you do invest some time and effort into making sure you understand what's going on. Fortunately, we've got a really, really good marketing department, so they did a lot of really good work liaising with your colleagues to understand what was the format, what was the best way to present, what the nature of the audience was. But really understanding who's coming and what sort of message that you want to get across is the best homework to do, and then make sure that you come here with something and a clear message to articulate.